Azure Monitor Agent, or AMA, the new unified client that is replacing MMA, or the Log Analytics Agent, has up to now been considered a server agent because of its dependency on the Arc agent. It's not that AMA wouldn't install and work on a Windows or Windows 11 workstation. I've been doing that for months. It's just that it was not supported and would not install without the Arc agent pre-installed. And it wasn't really a technical barrier, but instead there were checks and balances in the Windows installer file that verified the existence of the Arc agent before the AMA agent would install. Well, now that is changing. Those checks and balances have now been removed. In public preview, there's a new MSI file that allows the installation of the AMA on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. This is a huge development for Microsoft Sentinel customers, as they can deploy this new agent to Windows workstations and take advantage of all its new capabilities, including data collection rules, without the burden of the Arc agent. And they can start planning to replace the old MMA sooner. One note, the Microsoft Sentinel experience has not caught up quite yet. The agent download is not yet available in the Sentinel console, and it still says that the Arc agent client is required. Use the link in the video description to read more and get the Windows installer download link.